this app is created and built with AI. So AI is the one that literally built this APK and AAP of this app, and this app is already on Google Play Store. This is right here on Google Play Store. So right now, this app have the full opportunity to literally earn enough money from AdMob. Just take a look at it right here. Okay, AdMob literally pay between 3 USDT to 20 USDT per 1,000 view right here. I will literally show you the specific AI that you can use to build this kind of app, and show you how you can implement video ad from your AdMob to this app, and also show you how you can actually publish the app on Google Play Store step by step. Okay, so video ad is being generated from AdMob right here, and then AdMob literally pays just for video, applying video or putting video inside your app for people that are using your app to be seeing the video, and then you'll be getting paid for it. And also, to publish this app right here on App Store is literally very easy also. Then Google Play Store is super easy. I'll guide you through everything right here, showing you how you can literally build this Quran, which is only Quran app, and publish it on Google Play Store. If you're just coming across my video at the first time, my name is Welly, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So subscribe and make sure you like and follow this video. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started. At the beginning, go ahead and visit your Chrome browser, and then go ahead and search for this right here, which is Gemini AI. So make sure you are on Pro, paste this prompt, paste it right here, really cool. So just go ahead and edit this place right here, put the name of the app right now. So in this particular app, we're actually going to be creating Quran, which is the only Quran app right here. So this is what we just need right here on this place right here, where it says yes, it is extremely possible. What you just have to do next is just for you to go straight and literally paste this next prompt right here. Then you just have to go ahead and change the name right here from the name that is on this prompt already to the specific name of the app that you want to create. So after then, go ahead and click on submit right here. Just go ahead and copy all this right here. So what you just have to do, go ahead, go in new tab right here, then go straight to this place and start for Stitch. So after you have literally signed up with your Gmail address, go straight to this place right here, select the perfect modem that you literally want to use. Me myself, I'll be using 3.5 Pro right here. And then just head over to this place, make sure you are in this app, not web. So when you paste the prompt, make sure you go through the prompt and make sure the prompt is exact thing that you literally copy. So if the Stitch AI have literally created the UI UX design for you, if you find anything that you literally don't like, go ahead and still tell it right here to edit it. So now in this particular UI UX design, I don't actually like the button tab right here. So I just have to go ahead and select one by one of this UI UX design and tell it that yes, I don't like the button tab, so I can make it look like icons. So now after the Stitch AI have literally generated everything for you successfully, and you like the design specifically, head over to highlight everything just like this right here, and then go ahead and click on export right here on this place. So now head over to this place where it says export zip, export.zip. Click on it right now, then you go ahead and hit on export right here so that you can download everything in zip file just by clicking on left click right here. Then look at it right now, extract. Go ahead and click on extract. The folder will literally be extracted right here. Head over to this place right here, highlight all the HTML folder or file right here, and go ahead and click on open right now so that you can actually find everything available right here on your Gemini AI. So now what you just have to do next is just for you to go ahead and paste this prompt. So it's literally very simple as ABCD right here. So go ahead and click on submit so that you can literally just wait for Gemini AI to literally do its work. So this is right here. Gemini AI have literally give us a prompt right here. Copy all these prompts right here. Any .png, remove them just like as I'm doing it right now. So after you are done removing everything, then go ahead and paste these prompts right here that Gemini AI literally generated for you. So now go ahead and make sure you click on build right here, build Android app, and make sure it is literally available right here on top of your prompt. So in this place right here where it says settings, go ahead and select the model that you usually want to use. You might be using Gemini 3.1 Pro Review. Now I'll be using that. You can select any one of your choice. So go ahead and hit on this. Okay, so this is right here. It's doing everything possible to make sure it's make everything to literally work perfectly. So this is right here. It's literally connecting my device right here. So everything that I've literally built right here, I've now successfully built by Google AI Studio. And then this is right here. So the Quran app is actually available within a few seconds right here. So let's just go ahead and navigate this app right here so that we can review it and see if exactly what we want is literally available right here in this app. This is right here. This is the setting part. Everything is literally working really good and fine. So what we'll do next is just for you to go straight to this place right here. Go ahead and click on code. So you find all the code, HTML, Python, JavaScript that this Google AI Studio have actually generated, compiling the app together for you so that the app will work perfectly.
So go ahead and look straight to this place where it says export. Go ahead and click on the drop down right here. So you have two options right here, which is export to antigravity or export to zip file. So I would prefer you go ahead and export to zip file right here, so you can get everything downloaded straight to your PC and your computer right here. So now that this Quran app is fully ready, just like this, so this is APK available right here that Google Anti-Gravity have just created for us. So what we just have to do just for you to go ahead and mirror your emulator, which is your phone, so to be showing right here on your PC. So click on this output right here. You see where it says APK. This APK right here, click on release right now. So this is the APK file right here. You literally need to go ahead and run it on your Android emulator right here. So to do that, go ahead and right select, then just go ahead and click on copy or forward, and then head over to this place so that you can locate the phone right here. Go ahead and put the app in anywhere, any folder of your choice, so that you can literally go ahead and review the app right here. So now let me go ahead and hit on select right here so that the app will be available right here on my mobile phone. So all I just have to do is just for me to go straight to this place right here on my main mobile phone right here. So I just have to go ahead and click on file right here on my cell phone. So take a look at it, just scroll down right here and then click on mobile app. So this is it right here, click on app install. So this is the specific app right here, which is the APK. So go ahead and click on this place right here so that you can actually go ahead and install the APK file. Head over to the main home page right here, just as it is. Then go ahead and locate the app. Okay, so immediately show this right here. You can see everything is literally available right here. What you have to do just for you to go ahead and select any verse of your choice from this right hand. But everything is literally showing up. This is it right here. Parts are literally available. Okay, so on the downside right here, this is actually an audio where you can actually preview everything. This verse right here. So this app right here is actually 100% working, and I say like the design and everything of the app. So you can see right here, you also have a translation that it. So every Arabic also have a translation or that it. So in this place right here, okay, so where it says settings, this place you have the opportunity to actually go ahead and select any language of your choice right here. A lot of languages right here that this app literally have. So now there is an error right here on the Tigo mode, which is coming to dark and light mode. But I will tell anti-gravity to actually go ahead and fix it for me later on. So now this app is literally 100% working too, because I think everything remaining right here in this app is just for me to integrate video ads that I can be making money from the Google ad mode. Then just tell you to literally go ahead and correct some few changes right here, few changes. Yes.
So we have to add video advertisement to be displaying on the app that we created right now. So to do that, go ahead and paste its prompt. This is the prompt right here. But don't worry yourself. Go ahead to my bio or my profile right here. You will find a link to go ahead and watch this video on YouTube. Then on the description of the video on YouTube, you will find a link to literally display all my prompts right there. So go ahead and literally edit this prompt. This prompt is literally a master prompt. I call it template. So just go ahead and paste your own app units right here on this place. So to get your app units, go straight to your Chrome browser right here. If you do not have an account on Google AdMob, go ahead and sign up an account. It is free. Just with your Gmail address, you have an account right here, and then you go ahead and select your region. Then go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So if you find yourself right here on the home page, make sure you get your account verified. This account is literally new. Go ahead and click on payments right here on this place so that you can click on verify. Make sure you get your account verified just like this. After then, just go ahead and click on app right here on this place. Then just go ahead and click on add apps. Go ahead and click on no, the app is not already on Google Play Store, or if you are creating iOS app, click on this, or Android app. So in this case, we are creating Android app. If the app is already published on Google Play Store, click on this place. If it is not, click on no. Now just go ahead and click on continue. Then just go ahead and name it. So you go ahead and click on add. You click on done. Click on add units. So these are the add units right here that you usually need to use to display an ad inside that app, and then you will literally earn money for it. So go ahead and select any one of your choice. This is banner ad. Go ahead and put in the name. Then you just go ahead and include this. Then go ahead and click on create ad unit. So this is all the ad units right here. Go ahead and follow this instruction just by copying this. Then go straight to the antigravity and then you paste it right here. So do the same thing with this one right here. So make sure you go through this prompt before you literally go ahead and do everything accordingly so that it can rhyme and align with this prompt. So after everything is done, go ahead and click on submit the antigravity to go to work and create everything for you. After AI have input the ads, which is all the ad unit that you selected right here,
So you just have to look for a place to post your app, then the app will literally generate income for you each time anybody download and install the app in their phone while using it. This is where Google Console account came in. This is the Google Console account right here. Turn up an account with your email address. It's totally free. Go ahead and use organizational account or probably a non-organizational account, but I will advise you to literally use organizational account, which is company or business account, to avoid storage that touches the art. If you select a company or a business, you will literally need a DUNS number, and in any country that you are, you need to register a business right there. I will not be able to explain how you can post an app right here on Google Console account because I don't literally want this video to be that long. Go straight to YouTube, look for some other tutorial teaching you how you can post an app in Google Play Store using Google Console. So a lot of videos are on that right there. So if you are looking for a way to get your DUNS number, if you are using a company or business account, I will literally get it for you just for free, but you will just only pay for my time. So if you manage to watch this video to this point, thank you very much. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Peace out.